Walang problema kung mag-YouTube ako or mag-upload. Alam mo kung saan ang may problema? Yung mga taong nang-a-attack sa akin at kinukontrol ako na magkaroon ng YouTube. Bakit? Kasi alam nila na ako yung tipong taong honest. Sasabihin ko kung anong sitwasyon ko sa Denmark. Alam mo, online, dinadaan ko lang sa tawa. Yes, alam mo kung bakit? Kasi ako yung tipong tao na sawang-sawa na ako makinig ng mga Pilipina na nagmumura online. Dinadawit ang pangalan ko sa mga krimen nila. Girl, tandaan mo to. Krimen nyo yan. Aminin nyo. Ha? Huwag nyo nang idawit ang pangalan ko dahil alam nyo kung bakit nyo ako gustong ipapatay at ipaligpit. Yung salitang ipaligpit, yun. Yun ang tandaan mo. Pagkatapos nyo akong banata ng ilang buwan kung paano patayin, inilayo nyo sa akin ang anak ko. Pagkatapos yung inilayo ang anak ko, pina-deactivate nyo ang aking card para hindi ako makamili. Tapos hihila-hilahin nyo ako. Hila-hilahin kung saan. At sabihin, ito kasing Pilipina nito, masama ang ugali. Talaga? Kilala nyo ako? Hindi nyo pa ako nakakausap eh. Ginajudge nyo na ako. Hinuhusgahan nyo na ako in Tagalog. Pero alam nyo kung alin yung totoo? Ako yung tipong tao na friendly. Kahit magtanong kayo sa classmate ko, iisa lang ang classmate na nakaanuhan ko. Nakaaway ko, yes. In high school, yes. Pero dinadawit nyo ang pangalan ko na sinasabi nyo, Kesyo, masama ang ugali ko, marami akong kaaway. Marami akong kaaway dito kasi inu-online nyo ako. Inu-online nyo ako, sinisiraan nyo ang dignidad ko bilang Pilipina. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ako natutuwa sa ginagawa nyo. Hindi ako natutuwa sa ginagawa nyo. Nanggagalaiti kayo kasi it's about biggest money. Nanggagalaiti kayo kakasira sa akin kasi alam nyo sa Pilipinas, malaki ang investment ng pamilya ko. At yun ang bagay na pinanggagalaiti nyo pa ay ang mga kinuha nyo sa account ko nang walang paalam. Yun pa. Diba? Bagay na pinagkakaisahan nyo ako at kinokontrol, sirain ang boses ko para hindi ako makapag-YouTube. Kasi sa totoo lang, kahit mag-hair design ako ng aking sariling buhok o yung manikin na binili ko, I have a talent. I can make my own business. Being a boss that I can hire someone to work. But you know what? You remove my rights that I can have a better life. You destroyed me in social media. So I can have a lot of haters. A lot of person that they want to, hold me in my neck, control what I have. Who do you think is desperate? Who do you think have a desperate life? Why I'm still fat? Because you know what? I get food. They said that I have allowed to get food in the grocery because that grocery they have here in Grino, it's my money. That's why they allowed me to get food in the grocery. Maybe the next time, you know what they need to do is, you stolen something. Hello. If you didn't control me or deactivated my card, I don't need to stolen in my own grocery. The problem says, that's my grocery, right? I have right to get something so I can survive. But this time, you know what? I'm not happy to live in this country, honest. Especially to this commune. Because this is commune that they are the most worst. Why is it worse? Because they didn't allow me to use my card. They deactivated. They deactivate. I'm sorry to say it, but I need to be honest. Honest to say something. O they involved a lot of, name of person. You're married to this person. Your husband is this. Your husband's name is this. Oh, wow. I can choose the person that I love. No one forcing me that your husband is this. You need to marry to this person. You need to make lo to this person. Excuse me. I'm not the type of person that I cannot make sex without love. I cannot make lo. You know, lo means like that, ha? Without love. Pwede ba tigil-tigilan nyo nga ako online? Alam mo kung ano yung kailangan nyo? Abay, simple lang. Palabasin nyo ako ng countering ito malaya. Nang malaya akong makangiti. Malaya akong maka-YouTube. Malaya akong gumawa ng sarili kong alam mo na, yung iikot-ikot ako kung saan ko gustong umikot, nang malaya ako, nang tatawa ako, at gusto kong ay magawa ko kung ano yung gusto kong gawin. Malaya akong pumunta ng mega mall. Dito, grocery lang, di ba? Sa Pilipinas, mega mall. Biggest mall. Mall of Asia. Yes. To enjoy my money. But how can I enjoy that if you control me? Do you realize? Do you think if you are in my situation, I will destroy you? Stolen your money. Do you think you're gonna be happy? What do you think? Do you have any idea to answer me back? Bawal daw magalit sa countering ito. You're not allowed to shout. You are not allowed to make them embarrassing. But you, honest is, they make my life embarrassing. I'm not the type of person that making trouble, no. I'm not making trouble. I'm not the person that making trouble. But the problem is, they following me from Copenhagen until the end of this, this is the end of place. Next is, sea, dagat. Dagat ng kasunod. Where do you think I gonna move? To Sweden? And then after that, after Sweden, where I gonna move? Norway? Different country? Anong akala nyo sa akin? I have my own country that I will choose to go back to my own country. Pwede ba? Pwede ba? Please lang, embassy. Philippine Embassy, kumilos naman kayo. Sir, ma'am. Dito po ako, gusto po akong patayin. Baka gusto nyo pong tumulong. Baka po gusto nyong tumulong kasi alam ko po na matagal na po ako may problema. Matagal na. Matagal na. Yung ibang country na gustong humihingi ng saklulo, tinutulungan. Ako na walang kaso, binibigyan ng kaso. Ako na may income, pinipilit na tanggalan ng karapatan. Ma'am, sir, ano ho ang plano nyo? Sa Pilipinas, kagaya ko na humihingi ng tulong. Pwede po ba? Pwede nyo po ba akong Kasi may inaalok si Mons. Si Arlet daw, kailangan kong tawagan, nagtatrabaho sa embassy. May kilala po ba kayong Arlet? Kasi may kilala akong Arlet na na-meet ko dito sa Grino, na may asawang Danish, na nag-move na ng Pilipinas. Hindi ko alam kung alin yung totoo, ha. Pero naririnig ko online, for sure, she's still here in Denmark, using that she working in the embassy. How can I trust Filipino around me without my family? How? If I know that I am in a danger life. How can I? Do you understand English, right? Now I need to speak English so they understand what I'm talking about. Grabe. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, sa Pilipinas, Naranasan ko ang kumain ng lugaw. Naranasan ko ang pumunta sa bundok, mag-pick up ng guava, but I'm happy. I'm free. I do what I want. But here, mahirap palang huminga sa country na alam mong hindi ka daw nila kayang tanggapin na magstay pero ayaw ka nilang pakawalan. What the reason do you think that you hold me here to stay to your country that you know that I'm not happy? But behind my back is, you always destroying me. Behind my back. What the reason why I need to stay to this country if you think that I cannot manage myself? Simple, ma'am, sir. You need to get the person from here and send it home safe so she can start a new life. Because here, I feel like I don't have chance to find a job. Besides, YouTube is a job too, right? YouTube is a job. Nakakapagod magyaw-yaw sa social media ng ganito, the same problems all the time, right? And then so many people listening, but you know what people hear is they ignoring me. You know what they said? If I don't have YouTube, they will kill me. If the light is off, they will kill me. Wow. They know everything what I'm doing inside because they have a high-tech camera. But they still ignoring me. But you know what is worse is? I cannot find where is the camera. The hiding camera, I cannot find. Difficult life, right? Very difficult. This is the most difficult life that I experience, that I'll never dream in eternal life. I'm not dreaming to be like this. I'm not dreaming to experience like this. Thanks God, I'm still alive. Thanks God, thanks to the police that they allowed me to get food to the grocery because they say that it's my money. But until when I'm gonna, get food there? For what? Because they know that I earn big money in YouTube, right? That's why. They will use it money to make a business. And then I will stay to Denmark and they give me a food like a cat. You know what is cat is? They are just waiting when I died so they can, get my money. Thinking about my will. Of course, I need to eat. I have right to eat. If they survive to this country, they have a dreams to have a business, to have a healthy lifestyle. I dream to have like that too. I dream to fly using my plane. Yes. In Philippines. Yes. But you know what? How can I take a plane that I don't, even my driver license, they remove it from me. They didn't allow me to have a driver license after what I paid. I paid a lot of money. But you know what? One of Filipina I asked because I didn't know about the driver license. She said, if you pass 25 questions, you pass from 20 to 25. But you know what? It's a wrong information. I'll never get the right information from the person that I asked. Hihingi ako ng tulong sa mga baka sakali. Ma'am Jennifer Lopez, Ma'am Britney Spears, yung mga singers sa Pilipinas na hinihingian ko ng tulong, please help me. I want to move away, but I want to find my daughter. Where is she? I want to move in Philippines, so I will give her a better life. I don't want that she growing up to this country with stressful life. Because last time that I'm together with her, they always stress her online. This stress her, and then, you know what? I feel like she control her to eat, and then they control me to eat. Mabuti pa yung aso nila, no? Love na love nila. Ano yun eh? Pets nila. Pero paano naman yung taong kagaya ko? Kagaya ng anak ko. May mga anak pa ako, hindi ko pa nakikita. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko pa nakikita. At gusto ko makita. Gusto ko makita ang mga anak ko. Pero masakit sa dibdib, no, na gusto mong umuwi, gusto mong yakapin ang family mo kasi birthday, hindi mo man lang mayakap. Kasi kinokontrol kang lumabas sa country nila. Ano ako dito? Robot? Do you think I'm robot that you can monitor my life? Put a camera here, watch me, what I'm doing. I'm not allowed to tell the truth, and I'm not allowed to have a friends. I don't have a friends here. Why? Because they talk all Filipina around me, moving away from me. Because they are thinking that I'm a danger. But the Filipina is danger because they want to kill me. They keep it safe. They help. They hide. Help to hide. Give them shelter. Give them job. What about me? What rights I have to this country? Yun lang, ma'am. Thank you.